Sahih Al-Bukhari 3578, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said to Sulaim radiyallahu ta'ala anha, I have noticed feebleness in the voice of Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam, which I think is caused by hunger. Have you got any food? She said, yes. She brought out some loaves of barley and took out a veil belonging to her and wrapped the bread in part of it and put it under my arm and wrapped part of the veil round me and sent me to Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam. I went carrying it and found Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam in the mosque sitting with some people. When I stood there, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, has Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu sent you? I said, yes. He asked, with some food? I said, yes. Allah's apostle then said to the men around him, get up. He set out accompanied by them, and I went ahead of them till I reached Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and told him of the Prophet's visit. Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, O Sulaim radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam is coming with the people and we have no food to feed them. She said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle know better. So Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu went out to receive Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah's apostle came along with Abu Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, O Sulaim, bring whatever you have. She brought the bread which Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam ordered to be broken into pieces. Sulaim radiyallahu ta'ala anha poured on them some butter from an oil skin. Then Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam recited what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wished him to recite and then said, let 10 persons come to share the meal. 10 persons were admitted at their fill and went out. Then he again said, let another 10 do the same. They were admitted at their fill and went out. Then he again said, let another 10 persons do the same. They were admitted at their fill and went out. Then he said, let another 10 persons come. In short, all of them at their fill and they were 70 or 80 men. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3579, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. We used to consider miracles as Allah's blessings, but you people consider them to be a warning. Once we were with Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam on a journey and we ran short of water. He said, bring the water remaining with you. The people brought a utensils containing a little water. He placed his hand in it and said, come to blessed water, and the blessing is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I saw the water flowing from among the fingers of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and no doubt we heard the meal glorifying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was being eaten by him. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3580, narrated Jabir radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. My father had died in debt, so I came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, my father died leaving unpaid debts, and I have nothing except the yield of his date palms, and their yield for money many years will not cover his debts. So please come with me so that the creditors may not misbehave with me. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went round one of the heaps of date and invoked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then did the same with the another heaps and sat on and said Mayyar for them. He paid them their rights, and what remained was as much as had been paid to them. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.